Welcome to the Street Hawk YouTube channel. Right now I'm in Pallalem beach again. This is my favorite beach. One of the best beach. I used to come regularly here. So now I have planned to go to Butterfly Beach. We have to go in boat. I'll update you. Stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'll introduce my son. His name is Ahil. Next, he will take care of you.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो मत भूलना। आपको मालूम है कि मैं पहले भी एक वीडियो में आ चुका हूँ। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं पलेम बीच, बटरफ्लाई बीच, वो भी बोट में। लाइक करो।
Boat journey has just started. Both are our drivers. You can see the whole Kolam Beach. We have come to pick one couple here. Guys, this is Turtle Rock. It is same like turtle, you could see. This is Honeymoon Beach.
पानी हाइट है ना, उसके लिए आपको पूरा बीच कवर हुआ है। लो हाइट में इधर तक बीच में है। यहाँ पर उतरोगे या बटरफ्लाई
This is the famous South Goa's Butterfly Beach.
देखो
अब देखो
It's all about Butterfly Beach. We are going back to Palalim. It is almost sunset is done. Hope we reach soon. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, The Street Hawk, and please do comment and do like. Thank you. See you on next video. Hi.